Here's a Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. I'm going to show you how to change the wristbands, okay? So first thing, if you look under here, you can see that little metal button right there. Same one over here. And if you press this button here, you have two pins, one here and one here. When you press this down, they both go down a little tiny bit, okay? The thing is, the trick is you have to like get your fingernail all the way in there and press all the way down kind of hard, okay? I have nubs here, so I had to use like this little sim ejection tool or like a paper clip or something just to help me press that down, okay? Anyway, let me go ahead and show you how to put this on first. So what I'm going to do for myself, I have to do this because I have nubs. I can't just press and hold it and like click it in, okay? So what I'm going to do is grab this ejection tool, and you got to press that little button all the way down, okay? I'm going to press all the way down. And when I press it down, both sides of the needles is down, okay? Now I'm going to hold it just like this, and now I'm just going to go ahead and slide it in there, kind of play with it a little bit. Boom, it's on, okay? Now when I take it off, I don't have to use this. I can kind of like put my little nubs all the way in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rock it like up and down, okay? So let me try to get it in there. And I'm just going to go up and down. You got it, okay, there we go. So usually what happens is you take one of these sides off first, or maybe the bottom side, either or, okay? But again, the trick is you really have to get your fingernail and really press down in there, okay?